Mechanical movements are a hallmark of luxury watches, offering a unique combination of craftsmanship, precision, and beauty. Here are some key aspects of mechanical movements in luxury watches. Types of mechanical movements. 1. Manual winding. Requires regular winding via the crown to maintain power. 2. Automatic. Winds automatically via a rotor, eliminating the need for manual winding. 3rd, tourbillon. Features a tourbillon cage to counteract gravity's effects on timekeeping. 4. Perpetual calendar. Displays date, day, month, and leap year information. Characteristics of luxury mechanical movements. 1. High-quality finishing luxury movements feature intricate decorations, such as engravings, chamfering, and polishing. 2. Precise timekeeping. Luxury movements are designed to maintain accurate timekeeping, often with certifications like COSC or Patek Philippe seal. 3. Complexity. Luxury movements often feature complex complications, such as minute repeaters, grande sonneries, or astronomical indications. 4. In-house movements. Many luxury brands design and manufacture their own movements, showcasing their expertise in craftsmanship. Examples of luxury mechanical movements. 1. Patek Philippe Calibre R-27 QR. A manual winding movement with tourbillon, minute repeater, and perpetual calendar. 2. Vacheron Constantin Calibre 2755. A manual winding movement with tourbillon, minute repeater, and perpetual calendar. 3. Audemars Piguet Calibre 2924. An automatic movement with tourbillon, minute repeater, and perpetual calendar. 4. Rolex Calibre 3255. An automatic movement with high-precision timekeeping and 70-hour power reserve. Benefits of mechanical movements. 1. Craftsmanship. Mechanical movements showcase exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. 2. Heritage. Mechanical movements are often rooted in traditional watchmaking techniques and heritage. 3. Emotional connection. Mechanical movements can create an emotional connection with the wearer, who can appreciate the beauty and complexity of the movement. 4. Investment potential. Luxury mechanical watches can appreciate in value over time, making them a potential investment opportunity. Drawbacks of mechanical movements. 1. Maintenance. Mechanical movements require regular maintenance, including servicing and cleaning. 2. Accuracy. Mechanical movements can be less accurate than quartz movements, although high-end luxury movements often achieve excellent accuracy. 3rd, power reserve. Mechanical movements typically have a limited power reserve, requiring regular winding or wear. Overall, mechanical movements are a key aspect of luxury watches, offering a unique blend of craftsmanship, precision, and beauty. Miyota, ETA, and luxury watch movements are distinct in terms of their quality, features, and price. Here's a comparison. Miyota Movements. 1. Origin, Japanese company, part of the Citizen Watch Group. 2. Quality, reliable, accurate, and affordable. 3. Features, automatic and quartz movements, date, day, and chronograph functions. Price, generally lower, around $50 to $500. Examples, Miyota 8215, Miyota 9015, and Miyota 9133. ETA Movements. 1. Origin, Swiss company, part of the Swatch Group. 2. Quality, high quality, reliable, and accurate. 3. Features, automatic and quartz movements, date, day, and chronograph functions. Price, generally higher, around $500 to $5,000. Examples, ETA 2824, ETA 2892, and ETA 7750. Luxury watch movements. 1. Origin, high-end Swiss watch manufacturers, such as Patek Philippe, Vacheron Constantin, and Audemars Piguet. 2. Quality, exceptional craftsmanship, innovative design, and precise timekeeping. 3. Features, complex complications such as tourbillons, minute repeaters, and perpetual calendars. Price, generally very high, around $10,000 to $1 million plus. Examples, Patek Philippe Calibre R-27QR, Vacheron Constantin, Calibre 2755, and Audemars Piguet Calibre 2924. Key differences, quality and craftsmanship. Luxury watch movements are built with exceptional attention to detail and craftsmanship, while Miyota and ETA movements are more mass-produced. Complications and features. Luxury watch movements often feature complex complications, while Miyota and ETA movements are more focused on basic timekeeping functions. Price. Luxury watch movements are significantly more expensive than Miyota and ETA movements. Brand reputation and heritage. Luxury watch brands have a rich history and reputation for excellence, while Miyota and ETA are more focused on producing reliable and affordable movements. Would you like more information on specific watch movements or brands? Here's a comparison of luxury watch mechanical movements with Miyota and ETA movements. Luxury watch mechanical movements, 1. Patek Philippe Calibre, EAR TO27 QR manual winding tourbillon, minute repeater and perpetual calendar. 28,800 beats per hour, 48-hour power reserve, price around $1 million. 2. Vacheron Constantin Calibre, 2755, manual winding, tourbillon, minute repeater, and perpetual calendar. 28,800 beats per hour, 58-hour power reserve, price around $500,000. 3. Audemars Piguet, Calibre 2924. Automatic, tourbillon, minute repeater, and perpetual calendar. 28,800 beats per hour, 45-hour power reserve. Price, around $200,000. Miyota mechanical movements 1. Miyota 9015. Automatic, date, and 24-hour display. 28,800 beats per hour, 42-hour power reserve. Price, around $50 to $100. 2. Miyota 9133. Automatic, date, and 24-hour display, 28,800 beats per hour, 40-hour power reserve, price around $100 to $200. ETA mechanical movements 1, ETA 2824, automatic, date, and 24-hour display, 28,800 VPH, 38-hour power reserve, price around $100 to $300. 2. ETA 289, 2 automatic, date, and 24-hour display, 28,800 beats per hour, 42-hour power reserve, price around $200 to $500. Key differences. Complications. Luxury watch movements feature complex complications like tourbillons, minute repeaters, and perpetual calendars, while Miyota and ETA movements are more focused on basic timekeeping functions. Craftsmanship. Luxury watch movements are built with exceptional attention to detail and craftsmanship, while Miyota and ETA movements are more mass-produced. Price. Luxury watch movements are significantly more expensive than Miyota and ETA movements. Brand reputation. Luxury watch brands have a rich history and reputation for excellence, while Miyota and ETA are more focused on producing reliable and affordable movements. Would you like more information on specific watch movements or brands? Some replica luxury watches may use Miyota movements, but it's not a guarantee. Replica watches often employ various strategies to mimic the look and feel of authentic luxury timepieces while reducing production costs. Miyota movements in replica. Watches 1. Miyota 9015, a popular choice for replica watches due to its reliability, accuracy, and affordability. 2. Miyota 9133, another common Miyota movement used in replica watches, offering a similar level of quality and features. Other movements used in replica. Watches 1. ETA clones. Some replica watches use cloned ETA movements, which can be of varying quality. 2nd Asian 2824 clones. Cloned versions of the ETA 2824 movement, often used in replica watches. 3. Seagull movements. Some replica watches use movements from Chinese manufacturer Seagull, which can offer a more affordable alternative to Miyota or ETA movements. Authentic luxury watches versus replicas 1. Quality and craftsmanship. Authentic luxury watches feature exceptional craftsmanship, precise timekeeping, and high-quality materials. Second movement. Accuracy. Authentic luxury watches typically have more accurate movements with tighter tolerances and better finishing. 3. Warranty and support. Authentic luxury watches usually come with a manufacturer's warranty and dedicated customer support. Keep in mind that replica watches can be of varying quality, and some may use more accurate or reliable movements than others. However, authentic luxury watches offer unparalleled quality, craftsmanship, and warranty support. If you find this video informative, educative, and give more knowledge, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment, share, and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned to our channel for more exciting and informative